Welcome to my channel. Eero Mesh WiFi Setup Guide. Fast reliable home internet. Step 1. Unbox your Eero devices. Take all Eero units, power adapters, and Ethernet cables out of the box. Make sure everything is included before you start. Step 2. Download the Eero app. Install the official Eero app on your smartphone or tablet. The app will guide you through the setup process. Step 3. Disconnect your old router. Turn off your modem and unplug your old router if you are replacing an existing network. Step 4. Connect the main Eero. Plug the main Eero device into your modem using the Ethernet cable. Then connect the power adapter and turn it on. Step 5. Wait for the LED light. Allow the Eero device to start up completely. The LED light will indicate when it is ready for setup. Step 6. Open the Eero app, launch the app and create an account or sign in. Follow the on-screen instructions to detect your Eero device. Step 7. Create your Wi-Fi network, enter a network name, SSID, and a strong password. This will be the Wi-Fi network your devices connect to. Step 8. Place additional Eero units. Position the extra Eero devices around your home in areas where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. Plug them into power outlets. Step 9. Add mesh nodes through the app. Use the app to add each additional Eero unit to your network. Wait for each device to connect successfully. Step 10. Test your connection. Connect your phone, laptop, or smart devices to the new Wi-Fi network and test the internet speed in different rooms to ensure strong coverage. Thanks for watching.